Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Stress less, meditate more. Calm mind, calm life. Breathe in relaxation, breathe out tension. Meditation, the art of doing nothing and letting it be enough. Stress is an illusion. Meditation is the reality. Meditation, where every moment is a new beginning. Let go of stress, embrace peace. Be still and find your center. In the silence, you will find your answers. Meditation is the best meditation for the mind. Mindfulness, the path to peace. Peace begins with a fuse. Meditate daily, let your worries fade away. Silence your mind, and you will hear your soul. Meditation, the journey inward. The present moment is the only moment that matters. Inhale the future, exhale the past. Find peace in the present moment. Meditation, your daily dose of tranquility. Stress cannot withstand the power of a peaceful mind. Meditation is a silent heart, a peaceful mind. Meditation, the art of being present. Peaceful mind, joyful heart. Meditation is the fuse that refreshes. Stress is an alarm clock. Meditation is the snooze button. Find your center, find your strength. Quiet the mind, and the soul will whisper its secrets. Meditation, the journey to yourself. Inner peace begins the moment you choose not to allow another person or event to control your emotions. In the stillness, you will find your strength. Meditation, your daily vacation for the mind. Stress less, meditate more, worry less, love more. Breathe in peace, breathe out stress. Inner peace is the new success. Let go of what no longer serves you. Meditation, where stress goes to die. Be still and let life come to you. Quiet the mind, and the soul will speak. Your breath is the bridge to your present moment.